Today is 15th May and you are watching Rising TV. This is your daily dose of startup funding stories. Let's find out who got funded today and what's happening on the entrepreneurship street. Agritech robotics firm Nico Robotics, formerly Tartansons, has raised $13 million in a Series B round led by Brida Innovation Ventures, and this round also saw the participation of new investor Fulcrum Global Capital and existing investor Omnivore. Nico Robotics specializes in crafting compact agricultural robots empowered with AI-driven computer vision technology, which claims to reduce costs and increase profitability. Nico will expand to new markets and accelerate the commercial adoption of spot spray globally, according to Jasimha Rao, founder and CEO of the company. Chennai and US-based marketing SaaS platform Highperform.ai has raised $3.5 million in seed funding. The round was led by Venture Highway, Neon, and DVC, along with contributions from multiple angel investors. High-performance social AI helps B2B businesses boost their ROI on social media by amplifying their social presence and driving meaningful engagement through social platforms. Started in 2023 by Srivatsan Venkatesan and Ramesh Ravishankar, plans to use the proceeds for further R&D on upscaling its AI tools and establishing a distribution network. India-focused private equity firm CHRYS Capital will invest up to $100 million in New Delhi-headquartered eye care chain, Center for Sight, CFS, in a mix of primary and secondary transaction. The private equity firm will now hold significant minority stake in the eye care chain. Founded in 1996 by ophthalmologist and Padma Shri awardee Dr. Mahipal Sachdev, CFS offers eye care services and surgeries. It operates 15 centers and 13 vision stores in Delhi NCR. CFS will utilize the fresh capital to scale its network across Tier I and II cities, up from 83 centers across 39 cities it has a presence in. Celsius Logistics has raised $4.8 million in a pre-Series B funding round led by existing investor Ivicap Ventures. Celsius connects shippers and transporters pan-India. We carry and store any perishable cargo, and we understand how to love for our consignments. Through the fresh funding, we aim to further penetrate our presence and bridge the demand-supply gap in the cold supply chain, founder and CEO Swaroop Bose said. Red Dot Health has raised $20 million in its Series B funding in a mix of equity and debt. The company works with hospital networks such as Fortis and Apollo Hospitals to provide them with a fleet of ambulance vehicles as well as the manpower and technology to run operations. It also gets business from corporate employers to provide employees and dependents with ambulance service requirements. The Hyderabad-based startup founded by Prabdeep Singh in 2016 will use the fresh funds to further innovate its product, advance its technology, and improve its dispatch system to minimize human errors and optimize response time. Early-stage accelerator fund 100 Unicorns, formerly 9 Unicorns, has launched its second fund, with a target of raising $200 million. The plan includes a greenshoe option, giving the fund the right to increase the corpus by up to a further $100 million.